welcome back to my channel. My name is Talia if you are new here. If you are not and you're already a subscriber, you probably already noticed the change of scenery I have behind me for my new filming spot. I did mention in my last video that I moved into a new place and I finally got situated and everything settled, and I'm just so happy to be sitting back down in front of the camera and just doing this style of video for you guys, because the last couple of videos have been either roaming around town, vlogging, or filming at my parents' house, which those are fun to do, but it's just nice to sit back and relax and just film my May favorites video. Hooray! I am excited to share with you all what I was loving for this month, and if you guys would like to see that, then continue watching this video. Alrighty, so the first product I'm going to start off with is a skincare product, and this is Olay body wash. It is Cleansing, Infusion, Hydrating Glow Body Wash in the scent Deep Kelp. I recently ran out of my At the Beach body wash from Bath & Body Works, which I loved. So I decided to give this one a try. I've seen commercials for it on TV and ads on the computer. And I said, you know what? I love Olay products and it's summertime. I'm ready to get that glow on. So let me go out and try this, and I'm very happy that I did. It smells wonderful. It has just like a clean, beachy sea scent to it, which I love. The back reads, draws out impurities, draws in hydration. Our exclusive formula infuses non-stripping cleansers with our best bio-renewing hydrators to actually improve your skin's condition as you wash. Our unique hydrating ingredients act more like your skin's natural lipids to renew skin's surface from within, revealing your natural glow. So yeah, I am very happy with this product. I'm glad that I went out and bought it and gave it a try because I did notice some results. And the next product that I have to share with you guys is a hand soap. This is from Bath & Body Works in the scent Aloha Honolulu. It's a gentle foaming hand wash, and I am obsessed with this hand wash. Oh my gosh, I wish they sold it in a body wash or a body gel, because I definitely would purchase it and use it year round. I am obsessed with like beachy smells, tropical scents. This tops all of those beachy tropical scents because it literally smells like you were laying on the beach. It has that sandy, oceany scent. I know that's not really like describing much, but if you go to the beach frequently or you live on or near the beach, you probably know what I'm talking about. Just that ocean sand smell. I know it sounds kind of odd, but I'm obsessed with that smell. And I'm originally from Florida, so this definitely reminds me of like my hometown back in Florida. And I just could not be any more happy with this product. I'm constantly washing my hands because it smells so nice, and I really wish Bath & Body Works sold this in a body wash and a body spray, because I definitely would purchase it. But nonetheless, it is a hand wash, and I was very happy with this product and loved it for the month of May. Moving on to some beauty products. The first product here I have to share with you guys is a blush from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Pearlescent Pink. I have used this product a ton in the last couple of months that I've had it. It's definitely one of those spring, summery shades that just look so nice on your skin during the season of spring and summer. That's why I wear it a lot. You've probably seen me use it in a couple of tutorials beforehand, but it's just a nice peachy pink color. I'm wearing it on my cheeks today. And it was fairly inexpensive. I believe I bought it for $2.99 or $3.99. You can find it at Target or Five Below. But yeah, I definitely was loving this in May, and I have been using it long before then. So when I saw it in my makeup bag today, I was like, you know what? I need to include this in my favorites video because I have not shared it in a favorites video. Okay, my son just woke up from his nap, so I had to fix him some chocolate milk and cookies. So the next beauty product that I have to share with you all is a new lip balm. As you know, before I was using Baby Lips by Maybelline, which I love those. But I discovered this one by Essence on the Ulta website because I was just browsing around Ulta website and I came across Kiss the Unicorn lipstick, and I was like, ooh, what is this? It's not actually a lipstick, it's more like a lip balm, and it's tinted. So this is what it looks like. It's purple in the tube, right? But when you put it on your lips, it changes to the color pink, and it states on the outside of the package that it is color changing. There's really no like special smell to it. It does smell sweet, but there's no like specific, you know, fruity scent or sweet scent. But anyways, I'm really happy that I discovered this product because I just think it's super cute. It's purple, but it goes on pink. I think that's very cool. And yeah, they also have one called Kiss the Mermaid and Kiss the Frog. I love the way they work, and they also stain your lips. So when you feel that your lips are dry and you need to apply more, when you go back to reapply, you'll notice that your lips are stained with this pink color. So I love how it does that, and it lasts a little bit longer than Maybelline's Baby Lips, so I'm very happy with this product. The next product that I have to share with you all is a nail polish. I hardly ever have, or I don't think I've ever had nail polishes in my monthly favorites yet. That's because I don't always have time to paint my nails, but I did find some time this month to do my nails. This is Sally Hansen's Hard as Nail Extreme Wear in the shade Babe Blue. I'm wearing it on my nails today. It's a beautiful, perfect color for spring. It reminds me of like a light wash denim blue jean color. I don't know. Maybe you guys can tell me what you think, but I love it, and I was happy with the color and how it turned out, so this was a favorite of mine. Alrighty, the last couple of products here are going to be, I guess you could say, fun products that I was loving for May. And first up is Bath & Body Works Candle Peach Bellini Scented. Oh my goodness, I burned this thing within like a week. It was gone. As you can see, I burned it till the end, and it just made my home smell so lovely. If you have not smelled it yet, go out and just give it a smell, and you will fall in love with it. And I'm really happy with like the packaging too. It's so cute and flowery. The last product that I have to share with you guys is a food item, and it is not unicorn related. I know the last couple of favorites videos I shared unicorn cereals with you all, but I already tried them all. This time around I have popsicles to share with you guys, and this is Sonic's Ocean Water Slushed Pops. Oh my goodness, these are the best popsicles that I have ever tasted. It's just a blue raspberry coconut flavor, and these popsicles literally are the size that is advertised on this box. You definitely get your money's worth. There's 10 popsicles in here. I found these at Walmart. I love Ocean Water from Sonic. So yeah, we've been keeping these on hand. Like, I believe I purchased this 3 times already. That's how much we love them. There's no popsicles in here right now because they would have melted with how long I've been filming already. But yeah, I was loving these popsicles, and I definitely recommend you try them if you love that blue raspberry coconut flavor, because you will not be disappointed. Alrighty, that includes everything from my May favorites. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was so nice to just sit and relax and film this favorites video for you all in my new filming space. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried any of the products out that I have talked about in today's video, or maybe you're going to try them out. I would love to hear from you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, then please do so that you can catch all of the fun videos that I will be posting for the month of June. I try to post every Monday, and so far I've been doing a good job at that, so fingers crossed that I keep that up. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful week ahead of you all, and I will see you all in June. Bye!